this is why I went back all in crypto. Here you can see the latest news is that Trump will be announcing the Bitcoin strategic reserve strategy on March 7th. And I think looking at the tariffs that made the whole market dump in stock market and in crypto market, I think this is why we have been basically going up. I think the people, the insiders know this information. That's why we are pumping a little bit. But as these news become mainstream, the pump will be insane. I think we will soon go back to 100,000 when the Bitcoin strategic reserve is announced for real on the March 7th. I think we will go to new all-time highs. That's why I hope you bought the dip or you didn't even sell, because this was a short-term basically dump. And by the way, this video is not a financial advice, but what I'm doing personally, I am buying some utility NFTs like Admit1, Hunter O'Reilly 555. Also, I'm holding Mint Ming from the VeeFriends collection. Also, I hope you minted some Good Vibes Club NFT when I posted on my Patreon. And I will be continuing to post on Patreon daily, multiple times a day, some alpha, free NFT mints, free whitelist, because we are back in a bull market. That's what I believe. And if you're talking about meme coins, I am buying Trump meme coin. I am still holding my base meme coins, specifically Benji, TYBG, Doggin Me. I think we will definitely see a Coinbase listing, and these will go 10x, 20x, maybe even 30, 50x. That's my personal opinion. And yeah, overall, I am still in the Solana trenches. I am using Bullex trading platform, and I yesterday showed you that I bought some Greed 3 from Dave Portnoy. As you can see, it is basically going up, and the interesting part is that he basically he created this Greed 3 with his own wallet, which you can track on Bullex as well. I have many tutorials on how you can track wallets and track tweets, catch the meme coins before they are even launched. And you can see the price for the Greed 3 basically went up. Here you can see some of my buys and sells, and everyone's basically waiting for Dave Portnoy to actually drop some news on Twitter on his X account. That's why the price hasn't dumped. And this is actually a great tactic, as it seems. Basically create a token with your public wallet and don't tweet, so people are just waiting for the news, for the tweets. That's why the price isn't dumping, and it is not dumping. It is not pumping that much as well, but overall it is going up, and I am still really bullish on current markets. And yeah, for the whole 2025, I still think the global liquidity will go up, which basically determines the Bitcoin price as well. And I think crypto euphoria follows the basically global liquidity. Right now, global liquidity is quite low, but it is going up since January, February. And yeah, these tariffs, these huge chaos, panics will make Fed to basically cut rates, as they already announced. And rate cuts means that crypto will be going up, because people will be incentivized to take money and put in high-risk assets, because the dollar will be devaluating. And if they are printing money, as China already announced, and if they basically give out stimulus checks, the $5,000 stimulus checks to USA citizens, it will be insane. That's why I think maybe this crypto bull run will start later, but better later than never. And I think we could go even deep in 2027. Maybe the whole 4 years will be huge for crypto, because the Bitcoin reserve will be allegedly announced on March 7th. And if it does, the countries will be starting to buy crypto and Bitcoin as well. The race will be on. And remember, Solana is one of the Bitcoin strategic reserves, as the Trump announced a few days ago, which is insane, which means that Solana meme coins will be pumping as crazy. And again, if you want to buy and sell meme coins effectively, you can basically go on Bullex. This is invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. And you can basically track wallets, as I'm doing. I'm tracking Dave Portnoy wallet. His wallet is public. You can basically track tweets. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts on Bullex and track tweets there more effectively. And why I'm using Bullex is, first of all, you can basically set your own gas fees. You cannot do that on Phantom Wallet or Jupiter. And when you set your gas fees, you are buying. And imagine, for example, Trump drops a token, another, for example, Baron Trump token, Baron Trump meme coin. and hundreds of thousands of people are buying in the first few seconds, and Solana can get so congested that many transactions are failing. The best thing about Bullx is that you can set your own gas fees, so you set higher, and when hundreds of thousands of people are buying, you are buying before them because your gas fee is higher. And again, you cannot set this on Phantom Wallet, and Phantom Wallet is used by 99.9% of people in the crypto market on Solana. That's why, again, invite link is in the description below. And yeah, overall, really bullish on NFTs, bullish on meme coins. Utility coins are coming strong. That's why don't fade this space. Do your research. Again, this video is not a financial advice. My Patreon, well, where I am posting daily alpha with all the news and all the free opportunities, is in the link basically below in the description. And this is only $10 a month, but I think it's worth it. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.